Standing in Wu-Chi posture, knees slightly bent, tailbone dropping, head lifting towards the heavens. Just hold this position for a few minutes, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose, clearing the mind and allowing the chi to settle. Sink into the legs and inhale, raise the arms up to shoulder height. Exhale, sinking down. Inhale and lift. Exhale, release. Change the ball behind your back and imagine that your arms are like silk ribbons floating up and then sinking back down. Repeat this movement for 6 to 12 repetitions. Opening the chest. Inhale to rise and open the arms. Exhale to squeeze the arms back together, change the ball to the other hand and lower it down to the side. Imagine a balloon inflating between your arms, expanding them out, and then the balloon deflating, the arms coming back in and down. Repeat 6 to 12 times. Inhale, take your arms up overhead, sink to one side, ball above the head, and then to the other side, painting a rainbow. Look to the palm of your hand and keep the movement smooth and soft. You can keep the ball in the low hand and turn the head to look at the ball, changing it overhead. Inhale to lift and exhale to lower. Bring both arms down, cross the wrists, inhale and separate the clouds. Cross the wrists and separate the clouds. Sink down into the legs and lift and part those clouds away from each other. Now change the ball to the other hand. Inhale and lift. Exhale and lower, keeping the back long. And sinking low into the legs. Take the arms forward, now release the left hand back, circle it, bring the ball to the ear and push it forward. Change hands, bring the right arm back and push forward. Allow yourself to twist from the waist, following the ball with your eyes and staying low in the legs. Take both arms down, rowing the boat. Sinking into the legs, pulling through the water, lifting the arms up. Then change hands. And present the ball lifting up, looking at the ball rising up and releasing down. Imagine being pulled up to the sky by an invisible cord on the crown of the head. Inhale to lift and exhale to lower. Twist from the waist and raise the arms behind you, carrying the moon. When the arms come down in front, imagine that the ball is a helium-filled balloon that pulls you back up, lands up in the sky and sits there like the moon. And you turn to look at the moon. Then twist and push the hand across, avoiding crossing the midline of the body and staying low in the legs, exhaling to push, inhaling to come back. And waving hands in the clouds. Take the ball to the level of the eyes. The other hand trails down below. And rotate at the waist. Exhale when you twist. And inhale when you change hands. Bring the arms down and step your left foot forward, scooping the sea. Reaching down, crossing the wrists, letting the head come over the front foot, and then reaching back and spreading the arms. Playing with waves, pushing forward, releasing the back heel, inhaling, pulling back and releasing the toes. Forward and push, and back and pull. Imagine that the arms are tentacles, reaching out and withdrawing. Pull back and widen the arms. Inhale, move forward, bring the arms together. Spreading your wings. Being very broad across the chest and the back. Turn back to Wu Chi posture and repeat the sequence on the other side. Scooping the sea. Exhale as you move forward and inhale as you lean back. And now push the arms forward and pull them back, playing with waves. Spreading your wings. Return to Wu Chi and now punch. Look at what you're punching. Use your eyes. Inhale, wild goose spreads its wings. Inhale to lift the arms, raise the heels, exhale and lower. Sink down into the legs when the arms sink. You have the option to stay with the feet flat, still sinking and rising through the legs. And rotate like a wheel. The knees can be bent or the legs can be straight. Inhale up and exhale down. And reverse the movement. Inhaling up, exhaling down, ensuring that the pelvic floor is lifting. Bouncing the ball. Raising the heel on the supporting leg. Inhaling to lift, exhaling to release down. Finding stillness, inhale, draw the ball up the midline of the body, and exhale, release and sink into the legs. Calming and returning the chi. Then find stillness, place the ball in the lower dantian. Ladies, right hand on top of the ball and left hand placed on top of that. Men, take your left hand onto the ball and your right hand on top. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your nose, and find stillness and calm. With the breath, observe the flow of chi. Bring your feet together, ball in the right hand, cover it with the left hand and bow.